Discipline is the mother of miracles. Kneel to wisdom or burn in folly. Silence chooses where fate bleeds. Bend to balance or be cut from it.
Astronova Motors. Speed, carved from light.
Welcome to our AIGeniusX YouTube channel. I wish you a good day. In today's video, I will update you with new information about the most advanced video AI model at the moment, Sora 2 from OpenAI. And now Sora 2 has appeared right on Higgsfield AI. Currently there are not many websites that support creating videos with Sora 2 other than Higgsfield. The special thing is that the videos created do not have a logo. You can find out more information about Sora 2 AI video at this Higgsfield website. You can now use Sora 2 Unlimited with a subscription. Global access. Both Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro work seamlessly, no limits, no waitlists, no regional restrictions. You can now use Sora 2 on Higgsfield Unlimited with a subscription. With the current information about the appearance of Sora 2, Hollywood is probably shaking. Now let's go into the truly effective experience of Sora 2 videos on Higgsfield. And don't forget the 1-week-only unlimited video generation with Sora 2 event. Now let's go into the detailed practice of video creation experience with Sora 2. In the Higgsfield video section, we will select the video creation function with the Sora 2 model. With Sora 2, creating videos is faster but the quality is a bit lower than Sora 2 Pro. Depending on your needs, choose the appropriate model. As you can see, there are many high-end AI video models here, including Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro. A very good and expected point here is that with Higgsfield Sora 2 you can create videos up to 12 seconds. This is the difference from other platforms and is only available at Higgsfield. With Higgsfield Sora 2 you can create short videos, quick memes in just minutes and post on short video platforms like TikTok, Instagram and more. Now we can say, RIP gatekeeping. The world begged for Sora. Higgsfield gave it to everyone, unlimited runs daily, full power unlocked. Don't forget to miss this opportunity to use Sora 2 unlimitedly. We can use Higgsfield Sora 2 unlimitedly. You can go to the price list to find out information about the event of unlimited free use of Higgsfield Sora 2. Now back I will start practicing creating videos with Sora 2. Creating videos is also extremely simple. Please prepare some video generating prompts for practice. You can also get some prompts from sample videos of the Higgsfield community to practice. Here I will enter the description of a prompt JSON generate video that I have prepared in advance. I want to create some cinematic style videos, creating some characters that I love. You can freely describe the prompt according to your personal preferences. After entering the prompt and setting up the information for the video, we will proceed to generate the video. While waiting for the video results, we will proceed with some other prompts to prove the effectiveness of Higgsfield Sora 2. Please practice with me. Entering the video creation prompt is very simple. Our purpose is to prove the effectiveness of the quality of the video created from Sora 2. So I got the first result about cinematic video. Please take a look with me.
Discipline is the mother of miracles. Kneel to wisdom or burn in folly.
Higgsfield Sora 2 can talk. act and move like a real director's camera, perfectly synchronized in sound, emotion and scene logic. Next I will create some more JSON prompts with GPT chat to continue creating videos with Higgsfield Sora 2, testing the efficiency of Higgsfield Sora 2. I will copy the JSON prompt just created on ChatGPT and proceed to generate video with Higgsfield Sora 2.
Astronova Motors. Speed, carved from light. Astronova Motors. Speed, carved from light.
It must be said that the Higgsfield Sora 2 delivers full 1080p cinematic storytelling, while the Sora 2 Pro ups the ante with advanced motion reasoning and multi-scene continuity. I will continue to use some of the prompts I created from GPT chat. If you need these prompt templates, please send me a private message, I will send them to you. As you can see, Higgsfield Sora 2 keeps the storyline tight, the shots consistent, and the logic seamless. Next I will try to create some product introduction videos using Higgsfield Sora 2.
Time, cast in gold.
Must say it's amazing, the camera angles are very beautiful and professional. Similarly, I will continue with some other projects to demo for you to clearly understand and visualize the effectiveness of Higgsfield Sora 2. I will try to continue making some other short videos, please practice with me.
Honor is a storm you hold still. Choose the path, or be cut from it.
I tested a short video here which was awesome. With Higgsfield Sora 2 you can easily create short videos, quick memes in just minutes, record, add beats, throw funny punches. Next are some other projects, please see the demo results to feel the superiority of Higgsfield Sora 2.
Silence chooses where fate bleeds. Stand to balance, or be cut from it. Tai speak my name. Obey, or be carried below.
Calm is a scabbard of power. To order, strike the storm. Calm is a scabbard of power. To order, strike the storm.
Breath finds the seen and the hidden. Come gentle, or be unmade. Breath finds the seen and the hidden. Come gentle, or be unmade.
So I have just introduced to you Higgsfield Sora 2, and together we have experienced in practice with some small projects created from Sora 2 on Higgsfield. I hope this is useful information for you, and my video tutorial ends here. Thank you for accompanying me. See you again in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to update the latest information on AI technology.